In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add images and photos to your GoDaddy website builder quickly and easily. This is a simple way to make your website look more professional, more engaging, and more visually appealing without needing any design experience. If you're building a business site, a portfolio, or just updating your pages, adding the right image can make a huge difference. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your GoDaddy account and open your product page. From there, look for Websites plus Marketing. Next to your site, click Manage and then select Edit Website. This will open the GoDaddy website builder so you can start making changes to your page. Now, if you already have an image section on the page, you can use that. But if you do not have one ready, hover your mouse over the area of the page where you want the image to appear. You should see a plus button, usually labeled Add Section. Click that and then choose a section type that includes imagery. Good options are things like content, photo, or quote sections, depending on the layout you want. Once your section is in place, click directly on the placeholder image or default illustration inside that section. This tells GoDaddy which image you want to replace. After that, a panel should appear on the right side of your screen. In that panel, click Change Image. Now you have two options. If you want to use your own photo, click Add Images and upload the file from your computer. You can also drag and drop your image directly into the recently added area. GoDaddy supports common file types like JPG, PNG, GIF, WEBP, and SVG, so most standard images will work just fine. If you want to use a stock image instead, use the search bar in the upper right corner. Type in a keyword related to what you need, and GoDaddy will show you thousands of free, royalty-free stock photos you can choose from. This is a great option if you do not have your own photo ready yet. Once you find the image you want, click Insert. Then make sure to fill out the image description, also known as alt text. This is important for SEO and accessibility because it helps search engines understand your image and helps screen readers describe it to visitors who need it. After that, click Done to save your changes, and that's it. Your image or photo is now added to your GoDaddy website builder. You can repeat the same process for any other sections on your site to keep your pages looking polished and professional. If this video helped you, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step website tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.